What if your ideas didn't stay in your mind? What if you could draw them into real life, instantly, with precision and creativity in your hands?
This is not just drawing. This is creating something you can touch, hold, and bring to life with every single stroke. With smooth control and fast heating, the 3D pen lets you shape your imagination exactly the way you want. Perfect for kids, artists, and creators, it turns simple moments into unforgettable creative experiences.
Wow, it's getting so cool!
It really is! You're a natural!
From small designs to useful objects, there's no limit to what you can build once you start creating in 3D. Stop imagining, start creating today, and turn your ideas into reality with a 3D pen.